Welcome to Babu Moshai. Like I told you, when COVID happened, Babu got really scared. So what did he do? Like everybody in this country, he decided to build on immunity. He decided to turn healthy. We in Bengal, especially the Bengal Renaissance Babus, we don't eat healthy always. We love our mishti, we love everything, right? So here we are, trying to be healthy in a yoga studio at the Mystic Yoga Studio. We will do yoga as well. That is why this attire, my kurtas, everything's there, but that's for the outside world. To introduce you to my guests, Joyasheel Ghosh, National Award winner, actress, and obviously a very highly acclaimed dancer. Oishika Chakraborty, Professor of Women's Studies at Jadavpur University. Once again, there's a commonality there. Professor of dance and tremendous work, intellectual work on dance. Sujoy Prasad Chatterjee, interdisciplinary work. If you listen to Sujoy's music, he's been telling me, oh, I don't have a voice today. But Sujoy is music, Sujoy is written word, Sujoy is poetry. If this city is proud of something, Sujoy Prasad Chatterjee. Ranadev Bose, anybody who follows Indian cricket, Bengal, he will be one of our very best of all time. Nationally, Ranadev has been part of the Indian cricket ecosystem for the last 15 years. So we will talk to Ranadev about the cricketing scene in this part of the world. On my left, my teacher, Chirosri Ghosh, one of the most acclaimed yoga teachers, perhaps. 54 doesn't look that. And by the way, 54 years, 50 years in yoga. 50 years in yoga. Chirosri, why don't you start with all of us? All sort of very strangely, we are all motivated, but perhaps not the greatest students. So give us an easy pose to start with. Sujoy, she finished off with Om Shanti. Do we have that, especially in the creative space? Is creative freedom under threat?
Yes, it is, Boria, because, before anything else, be it any government, be it any political party, we've always faced a very latent censorship in arts. And the fact is, we don't know what to fight for.
Okay.
Because the odds and the darkness is kind of mutually exclusive to each other. So it's always a choice between the devil and the deep sea. So the thing is, yes, there is a lot of hindrance to creative freedom at the moment, and especially it's been there for the last 4 or 5 years, very latent, and now it's becoming more overt. So before I do a new play, I have to scan my dialogues and see whether it kind of upsets anyone.
That was my next question, that when you actually perform these days, do you have to keep this in mind, that will this rile a political party, will something happen to me, etc.?
Of course it is. I mean, I act in different mediums. I act in films, I act in theatre, I act in web series or our OTT film. So, everywhere you actually have to remember whether you're encroaching into a political space or not.
This program actually is trying to reclaim the cities and the cultural space that we have on national television. That's why there's no abuse. Oishika, I'll come to you. Is academic freedom also under threat? Do you, when you teach, do you have to keep in mind what Sujoy just said, what he has to keep in mind in the creative space?
Certainly, because I come from women's studies. From 2017 onwards, there is sudden declaration from UGC that the 167 women's studies centers is going to shut down without any previous notification. So all over India, the little women's studies centers for creative scholarship, centers that actually push its boundaries beyond the mainstream, beyond the patriarchal, traditional, whatever. So we were actually under threat. But, in Kolkata, I'm coming back to our own city and coming back to where Sujoy actually left his thread. We have its own uniqueness. We always try to go, sometimes think beyond the box and not always follow the so-called national classical. Okay. As far as, because I have also kind of a parallel journey as a dancer, but what kind of dancer? Yes, I am trained in this Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odissi, the venerated Natya Shastra-oriented classical hegemonic Brahmanic tradition. But Bengal also enabled me to think beyond that box, to break the stereotypes of Radha, Sita, Sakuntala, to think about the Dalit politics back in 1933 when Tagore wrote Chandalika.
Joya, exactly on that note, I mean, you have won national awards, you have sort of the creative space has been your own, you married into this state. Have you ever felt that your creative freedom is under threat, that আমি এটা করতে চাই, you want to do something but आप कर नहीं पा रहे हैं?
I haven't faced that much because the work I do, basically dance now. I'm doing films, but that is not this kind of questions arise till now. But yeah, what is happening around us? This is what Shujoy said. I completely agree. What Oshika says, that is surprising for me. 167 centers are they going to close. But for as an artist, I'll see if these things are happening, it is going to destroy our process.
मुझे ये बताइए, as an artist आप जब perform कर रहे हैं,
हाँ जी.
it is entirely आपका जो space है, वो क्या हम बाहर से violate कर रहे हैं? वो क्या अच्छा है? उसको कैसे रोक सकते हैं? Are the politicians even aware of it कि creative freedom violate हो रहा है?
I don't know. अगर उनको ये पता होता तो शायद ऐसी चीज़ें आती नहीं कि creative freedom हम लोग का ये violate किया जा रहा है.
Rono, after Shourab, after your gen, so basically the 2000s, 2010s, I don't see anyone from Bengal in the national sporting space. Why? Kolkata Knight Riders does not have a single Bengali player. Why?
See, to be honest, what I feel is that, what I honestly feel that you would agree with me that when you play cricket, you also need to think. Unfortunately, Bengalis are not playing cricket anymore. You don't, at one point of time, there used to be two teams in Bengal team. One who comes from Deshpriya Park and one which comes from Deshbandhu Park.
So north and
So
south.
north and south. There was a tussle. Utpal Chatterjees and Shagurmoy Sen Sharmas would come from the north and Devang Gandhis would come from south. Ranadev Bose, Sharadindu Mukherjees. Unfortunately, nowadays, middle-class Bengali boys are not playing cricket.
But why? There is so much money
They
in
are
this
too
sport.
busy playing PlayStations. They're too busy talking about Manchester United and Manchester City. They exactly know how much money is being spent on certain players, but they actually don't go to the Shukriya Park and play football or play cricket.
So basically what Rono is talking about is there is a dearth or a poverty of talent for some reason everywhere, be it the sporting industry, be it the film industry, be it the creative industry. Why is it that we have to look to other industries in the country? Shujai, when you perform, and you have performed transnationally, nationally, across the world, have you ever felt that Bengal does not get that sort of space in the national schema?
It does. If I go to a Toronto International Film Festival, I go and see there's nothing from Bengal except Buddhadev Dasgupta. It's not true that other people are not making films. They are making films. So is it the acceptance, the criteria, the parameters? Where is it all going wrong? You know, I was listening to Rono and I just felt one line to give it to you, that life is all about cubicles and Instagram these days. You know, unfortunately, people want to, be it an artist, be it a player, a sports person, be it anyone, everyone wants to make a statement. A. B is, there's something which the filmmaker Gautam Ghosh told me once while visiting one of my shows. He said, there is hardly any filmmaker today who goes to watch an art exhibition.
Oshika, I'll take a break with you. How many times in the last 3 years have police entered your campus? Your VC gets ghirawed, teachers get ghirawed, somebody gets beaten up, it all becomes volatile at night. How is that as a teacher? Do you feel safe even in a university setting?
It's a very, very difficult question, Boria, because yes, on the one hand, student politics is part of a kind of campus, Jadavpur University or Presidency College, because politics and academics in Bengal, especially from the Naxal movement, we know that how inextricably it is part of maybe our everyday, our curriculum, because we cannot read history, political science without actually addressing the everyday realities. What is Naxalbari? Now it's part of our syllabus. But when it comes to actual campus, when the fire is on and the administration is bound to call the police, what happens? And what is the duty of the police? What is actually now the responsibility of the students, and what the administration will do what kind of step that will take. I think there is so many kind of onus, so many kind of responsibilities on so many people. Yes, as a student, I think it's necessary to address the politics of the nation. But also as an authority, it's also kind of, they had to kind of bring back normalcy in the campus.
And the most important thing while I go into my break is the police, BJP police, na Trinamulir police. Who does the lawmaker serve? Is he independent enough, or does he belong to a particular political party? If you see the political discourse, each party will say that the professional no longer is a professional, but acts according to the whims and fancies of a particular political party. It's a tough act. It is a tough act. A very short break. Back on Babu Moshai with Joya, Oishika, Rono, Shujoy, and of course Chirosri. Because Chirosri is getting a little edgy. We are talking too much, bunking her class. So we've got to do some more poses. Back after the break. Back after the break on Babu Moshai with my guests. As promised, I'll go to Joya first. Joya, give me a sense of your work. I mean, the way you have performed both here and nationally. Women have become central to the political discourse. Give me a sense of your work. Are you happy with the way your own career, you've been able to function within this space?
Well, I'm always happy. And the way I worked, the work I wanted to work, this little bit I was always choosy. And when I was in Bombay, जिस तरह का क्वालिटी काम हुआ करता था, वो एक उस ज़माने में ऐसा था कि आर्ट फिल्म, गुड फिल्म, उसके बाद में आया, देन पैरेलल फिल्म्स, ये सब चीज़ें आए. तो मैं उस तरह की काम करके मुझे लगा कि एक जो जगह होता है एज एन आर्टिस्टिक सेटिस्फेक्शन के हिसाब से मुझे वो काफ़ी अच्छा मिला. पर अभी जो सिनारियो है मुझे लगता है आर्टिस्ट के लिए और बड़ा है बिकॉज ऑफ OTT एंड ऑल.
One more, is this sort of what you just said, I'll ask Shujoy this also, OTT, etc., is this also applicable to Bengal, or is it only at a national space, Mumbai, etc.?
No, it's in Bengal also. Bengal, okay. Shujoy, a lot of things are hoichoi and all, a lot of things are working here. Yeah, I hope, I wish the standard should be more good, more better. But I'll say one thing, Bengal literature, Bengal intellectuals, Bengali के जो अलग तरह की सोच है, फिल्म मेकिंग बोलो, क्रिएटिव काम में बोलो, अलग है.
ओशिका, अलग तो है, बट अगर आप ग्रांट्स के लिए, प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए सेंट्रल मिनिस्ट्रीज, HRD मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर जो ग्रांट्स हैं आप जब अप्लाई करते हो, whatever project you want to, can you do that, or is that not possible anymore? Say for example, you've worked with sex workers, there's an interest there. If you, I mean, either it is politically correct, or can you apply for anything?
Exactly. It has to be politically correct. And also the grants for academic research is, now it's dried up, slowly, okay? So I have to continuously remind myself the academic research that I'm going to take up, or the grant I'm going to apply for, is it going to be within my comfort zone or the nation's comfort zone, right? So am I actually, I'm free to address the politics of performance of the bar dancers, or the sex workers, or the cabaret dancers of Bengal, 1980s, who were actually the target of moral policing of the state. And whatever 2005 ban, actually the lockdown is continuing, its continuing process for the bar dancers. 75,000 had been evicted from Mumbai bar dance, the industry, and of which more than 25% is from our state. Now the election is just knocking at our door. Are we addressing them or the rally of the sex workers?
Shujoy, what Oishika just said. So these people are latent sitting ducks as vote banks. No rights, no power, no creative freedom, but at the same time being appropriated by the political class for selfish ends. I know you can't sing, but give me a poetry. Give me it's your field. Do something for me.
আমি খুঁজছি তোমার ঠিকানা, অলি গলি ঘুরে ক্লান্ত, তবু তোমায় পাচ্ছি না. তুমি বলেছিলে সেই দিন, সেই ব্যস্ত সকালে, এসো নিশ্চয়ই এসো একবার আমাদের মিছিলে. তাই ইচ্ছে হলো জানতে কিভাবে দাবির কথা তুলে কেমন সবাই হাত ধরে ধরে গান গেয়ে পথ চলে এসে দেখি আমি ধর্মতলার চার কোণে চার ধার সব নানা সুরে বলে একই কথা আমার সঙ্গে চল এত শব্দ এত চিৎকার তবু কি নিদারুণ দৈন্য একই স্লোগানে নানা গন্ধ তুমি কোথায় ছিলে অনন্য
Fabulous, fabulous. Rono?
I've said what I had to.
Yes, yes, yes. Anyone who understands the language, he actually spoke about everything that is relevant to this political election. Everything, whether it is, and parallel it please with Mithun Chakraborty's Jol Dhora and Belebura, with the political discourse, and you will understand why we are doing this program. Rono, do we need another Sourav Ganguly to ignite passion? Is that what you need? One individual who is a super performer to again say, oh, you know what, we can dominate the cricketing or the footballing scene? Can there be a resurgence?
Yes, we do. We do, because you have to have a role model. Because a lot of people was inspired by Sourav Ganguly, not only Bengalis, all over India, all over the world. So that is exactly what happens in Mumbai. You have so many role models, but we need to find more role models other than Sourav Ganguly. Because otherwise, if you don't, somebody needs to set up a standard.
Okay, Shuja, quickly.
Quickly, I just want to add to that. People need to write more about sports than their children of cricketers. You know, the entire culture of paparazzi has kind of taken over everything, and especially sports.
Okay, on that note, Ritika Fogart, the younger sister of Bobita Fogart and Geeta Fogart, committed suicide at the age of 17 because she lost a age group tournament final in Rajasthan. So anyone who believes that being a sibling or being the daughter of a star is easy, it is not. So when you troll a Sana Ganguly or an Arjun Tendulkar, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind because it's very important. As you can see from this show, there is a degree of mental unrest. Joya mentioned that, Oishika mentioned that, Shujoy mentioned, Ronodev mentioned, and we have been constantly saying so. That takes me back to my teacher. That takes me back to Chirasri, because yoga is about physical and mental peace, especially at these troubled times. Over to you, Chirasri. One more pose before we close the show. Let any political party win, let there be Shanti. That's all we will say from the stages of Babu Moshai. Like we did, let's have debate, let's discuss, let's argue, let's engage, let's disengage, let's disagree, but let's have Shanti. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.